Hey, all you rednecks out there. I got you a custom made hillbilly or redneck doorbell. Not the typical one with the mouse trap or the bear trap, but one with a make-believe straight razor. This will scare you. It scares me even though I know it won't cut. I still be sure I move my hand from there. Anybody that presses this is going to get a laugh out of it. It's only going to operate if you hold the button down. As soon as you move your finger, it'll stop moving. Therefore, this will last a lifetime because it won't get much use. This is electric powered, 110. The knife is made out of galvanized steel. Again, it's not a real knife. It just looks like one. It's not sharp. This one has the Bixby family on it, but it could also have your name on it, any name on it, or any other names that you'd like to put on it. Not just like this, but however you want it to be. This is great for the redneck residents. Great gift ideas too. This is made out of all steel galvanized metal. All painted, no decals. Comes with 4 screws to attach it to the wall. We're going to show you how it operates by mashing this button. You'll move your hand, even though it won't cut you, you'll definitely move it. And anybody that sees it, they're going to be moving it too. They're not going to let that hit them, but they're going to laugh about it. And then they're going to tell their friends about it. And everybody that comes to your house is going to know it. That's one cool gift idea. So if you're looking for a redneck sign, a funny redneck sign, or a lighted redneck sign, then we have what you need here. Stop by at deepsouthrednecksigns.com. Pick yours up today. They are really a reasonable price. You're going to be shocked when you see how low they are. So drop by at deepsouthrednecksigns.com. Get yours today.